Hello and welcome everyone, I'm Chris and today I would like to show you how you can use the KUKA.Sim streaming feature on our KUKA mixed reality application. To use this feature you will need the latest KUKA.Sim version installed on your laptop and the connectivity add-on. Also make sure you have the latest version of the KUKA mixed reality application from the Play Store or the App Store installed on your phone or tablet. You will find the links to the download of the Mixed Reality app in the description below. Additionally, to connect our Mixed Reality application to the KUKA.Sim software application, we need a Wi-Fi connection without internet. Please also ensure that your mobile data is turned off on your smartphone. To set up the Wi-Fi network, we have used an external Wi-Fi router, but you can also use your mobile hotspot. More information regarding the connection of the application will follow in Expert. When you open KUKA.Sim in File, Option and under the General tab, you need to enable the animation streaming. You will need to restart KUKA.Sim after changing that. Additionally, you may need to enable the port 7000 in your firewall in the Windows settings. Then in the add-on tab in the option menu, you need to ensure that the connectivity add-on is activated. If you cannot activate it, you may need to purchase it from the KUKA marketplace, the link to which you find in the description below. Close KUKA.Sim and start it again to have the animation streaming enabled. Now we can load a layout. Or for me, I will just pick one of the demo layouts, for example, the LaserTech Quantec 2 layout, and load it in the simulation. We need to run the simulation once so that the code is generated and that the robots are moving. We don't have to play the whole simulation, we can reset it. After running the simulation once, connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network where your laptop running KUKA.Sim is connected to. After connecting the smartphone to the Wi-Fi network, open the KUKA Mixed Reality application on the smartphone. Select the Sim Viewer feature, then select Stream from PC. Once selected, you will be prompted to enter the IP address of your laptop. You find the IP address of your laptop if you click on the icon. Then enter the IP address from IPv4 on the Mixed Reality app prompt. Once entered, hit connect and you will be allowed to place the layout from your KUKA.Sim in the real environment using two methods, either free placement or QR code based placement. Here we selected the QR code placement. After selecting it, your layout from KUKA.Sim environment appears in your real environment. And you will get a message that the client is connected. Now play the simulation and you will directly see the simulation running in the Mixed Reality app. We scaled it down a little bit so that it's better visible, but as soon as you also speed up the simulation, it will react accordingly in the Mixed Reality app. Now you can play around with the streaming. The robot will place objects and get new ones. If you reset the simulation, it will automatically jump back into the initial position as well in your simulation as well as on the Mixed Reality app. If you delete objects in the 3D environment, they will also disappear. If you make them invisible, they will still stay in the Mixed Reality environment. If you load something from the eCat into your simulation of KUKA.Sim, they will also appear in the simulation of or in the visualization of the Mixed Reality app. As you move, change or turn objects, they will also just react like that in the Mixed Reality application, and you can even snap objects and adapt them. Again, if you play the simulation, here the robot will move and you can now adapt the program, for example, to the new setting inside your layout. So if we now go to the Program tab and go to the points that are needed for the placement of the parts, We will adapt them to the conveyor height. I will just reset here the values that the gripper is parallel to the floor and set it upwards for a pre-position. Then touch up the pre-position. Again, I will move down a little bit the position of the robot that actually it will place the objects on the conveyor belt. And now touch up the place position. And in addition to that, I will reset the simulation and press play. Let's see how the program has changed. So again, the robot goes and grabs a new part. I will speed up the simulation so that the laser welding is a little bit faster. And once this is done, I will reduce the speed again, and now we can see the new adapted position and also that the part is now moving down the conveyor. Let's have a look at the second part. Same. So again, simulation speed up. It will be exactly the same in the visualization. There it will be now scaled up. We can see the part is again moving down the conveyor, and if I reset the simulation, it will again also reset the animation or visualization in MixedReality app. One last task I want to do is I want to add another conveyor on the other side and also attach a creator. So for that, I go back to the home tab. I will import a creator and attach it to the conveyor. And now if I play it, it will be directly visible also in the simulation as a big orange box. Here it appears on the app. Now it's your time to play around with the streaming and have fun with this awesome application. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to see more interesting videos about KUKA simulation world, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.
Industrial intelligence.